Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need a compatible Mac and an Apple ID ready. Check about this Mac to confirm OS and free disk space. Once you have that, open the App Store and sign in with your Apple ID so purchases and downloads will go smoothly. Choose whether you'll buy Logic Pro outright or get it through Apple One if you already use that service. This affects billing and family sharing. Make sure your payment method is current and start the download immediately to begin installation. Click Get or Buy in the App Store and watch the progress in Launchpad. The installer will request permission to install audio drivers and extensions, so grant those in System Preferences when prompted. Once the app downloads, open Logic Pro to trigger first-run setup and the optional sound library installer. These libraries can be large, so choose an external SSD if your boot drive is limited. While installing, keep your Mac awake and plugged in to avoid interruptions, and ensure the audio driver loads correctly. On first run, follow the audio and MIDI setup prompts and choose buffer size, lower for recording, higher for mixing, to balance latency and CPU load. Then open the Sound Library Manager to download any remaining instrument packs. Make sure you point large libraries to the drive you selected earlier. If you hit a problem, try quitting Logic, toggling core audio by disconnecting your audio interface, updating Mac OS, or reinstalling Logic from the App Store. These steps resolve most installation and driver conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.